So for our tofu chicken, we're just gonna get a firm piece of tofu. We're gonna pat it dry and just cut them into slices and put some marinade on it. I'm gonna take my shallots that I soaked in vinegar and just put that to clear up a little before I add my tofu. Then I'm going to add my tofu and put them 3 minutes on each side. That our tofu's ready, I'm just gonna get our salad ready to assemble onto our paninis. Just heat up your pan and add some vegan butter and put the bread of your choice and sort of just toast it a little. I don't have a panini, so I'm using a cast iron skillet. If you're a first-time vegan, you're gonna notice that your vegan cheese doesn't really melt. You're not doing it wrong. They just take some a while to melt. So right now I'm just gonna put on my salad that I mixed before, and I'm just going to then close the sandwich and let everything melt with my ghetto panini skillet. And you can add any nuts like almonds or sesame seeds for more crunch factor. I'm going to add the charred red pepper that I had and a Fresno pepper. The Fresno pepper is very spicy, and I'm also going to add 3 cloves of garlic onto the blender. At this moment, you should just check to see if the sauce is to your liking. I thought it needed a little bit of more zest, so I added some lemon juice. Moment, I'm just gonna chop up my vegetables that I want for my pasta. I just really wanted some zucchini, tomatoes, and onion. You can add anything like spinach or broccoli or whatever you like. Aside, and I decided to leave the pan dirty so the fettuccine could get all those veggie flavors. I'm adding in my cream, and my pasta was a little underdone, so I decided to just throw in some coconut milk so it could cook a little longer and not become as al dente as it was. Enough batter for 2 cakes, so right now I'm just going to add 1/3 of unsweetened cocoa, and you can make a mess like I did because it just exploded everywhere. So the last time I made this weird pudding icing because I don't like too much of a sweet frosting. So this one came out way too thick, but I just did it for the top of it. I just did 1 cup of non-dairy milk and 4.5 tablespoons of flour and a 1/2 cup of sugar. And you just mix it in, and you're supposed to keep stirring it on medium. And just until it's a nice consistency, but I messed this up somehow, so I'm glad I just used it on the top because it was enough. For the chocolate ganache, you are going to use non-dairy chocolate chips. The Nestle Simple chocolate chips have only 3 ingredients, so it has no dairy in it, and it melts absolutely perfectly. You can either use some unsweetened coconut milk or unsweetened coconut cream or any vegan creamer and put it in the microwave for 1 minute.
We should stop praying.
You know what? We'll take it one step at a time. Let's just get this going, okay?
We should stop praying, right?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't work. It doesn't go in. Or literally, it doesn't go in. Yeah?
I've used this before. Oh, hon, you're doing it wrong. Here, I think I know what I'm doing. Put that over. You have to take this off first. Did you forget how to serve? Hi, my name is Juan and I'm really pretty.
Oh, what? That doesn't matter. It won't happen anymore.
Full potential. Oh my god. You took out the paper?
Yeah. It will come out like that.
But that's not how you serve.
So how
and you know it.
How you serve? Show me how you serve.
Juan, shut up. I'm nervous.
Why are you nervous?
Hold the bottle. Hold the fucking bottle.
This is what we do when we serve. 2 people open the
Yeah.
I don't know why.
What the fuck? Alright, go to Walmart and get the wine cake.
Are you serious? Huh? We need 2 people to open the bottle of wine.
Okay. Why is it... Okay.
I told you it's broken.
You're broken.
It's not broken, dude.
And... Oh my god, it's getting cold. Fuck, it's cold. It needs to be heated up now.
There it goes.
You did it?
We figured it out as usual.
So fucking stupid.
Hey, it says puppy. Respect the wine. All right?
You're so stupid. Juan, your food is
What
getting
says
cold.
here? Read it.
What did I say about food?
Read it.
About cold food?
Read it.
Abre.
Papi.
Abre the fucking bottle.
Papi. They even make wines with my nickname.
Juan?
Papi.
The food is cold because of your bullshit.
Papi.
So the food is now cold because Juan took 45 minutes to open this fucking wine.
Yeah,
And
Mexican as usual.
for some reason my wine glasses are missing. So this is very ratchet and ghetto. And we're gonna have wine in a cup.
What is this?
Water. We both have waters.
Right.
Yeah. It looks like apple juice.
Mm.
But it's cold now. It's not even warm. Wine first.
Pasta first.
Oh my god. El vaso está sucio. What is that? Oh my god.
The pasta is good.
It's cold.
I mean, and cook. It's not hard.
I put milk and ended up having to cook it for a little more.
Wow, this is good. This is really good, man.
Mm.
It is really good. Wow, there's more?
Huh?
You better have more.
Hmm?
You better have more, eh? You know I go doubles. I go doubles.
It's cold.
Wow. It's amazing. I love the basil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it needs like, I don't know, a hot fucking dish because it's so cold. Doesn't it bother you?
No.
Whatever. I said whatever. Alright, we gotta play music. Well, no, we can't because this is like mukbanging and people want to hear you eat. Así tampoco, coñazo. Oh my god. You're so annoying.
No, you gotta tend on the zucchinis. That's how I like them. Juicy. You didn't overcook them. This is all.
I know I'm talented.
I hate when the zucchinis are mushy, overcooked, destroyed.
I'm a vegan. My specialties are vegetables.
You buy it? Oh my god, these are nice. I'm coming.
Oh my god.
To come.
Shut up.
To eat.
Kids might watch this because they want to learn how to cook. They shouldn't know what coming is.
Hey, I'm a food lover. You want me to? It's the only pleasure I have in life. Love food.
Yes, ma'am.